Then we come to creating your ad group. So you name your ad group. So I tend to name the ad groups as per the targeting. So if it's ad group for, let's say, keyword targeting, I'll call it as keyword. If I'm running in-market, targeting an in-market audience, then I'll call it as in-market. So it depends on how you have your naming convention. So keep it consistent so that they are the same for all your Gmail, video, GTN, search campaigns. Now you have the important bit. This is where you can make or break your campaign. And what I would do is I would keep one ad group for keywords, one for audience, and then run it and see which one is performing better. So it's not very complicated here. You don't have a lot of options. All you do is you go in here and you can either get a keyword ideas from your website or product or service. Now here's something where you can hit your competitors. Google or Gmail knows what's the content of that email. So if a person has sent an email to their friend and asking them, oh, which phone would you recommend? And that person replies, iPhone. That email is about, the conversation is about iPhone. So if you are selling iPhone, you can have all your targeted keywords in here, and potentially your ad can go into that at the top of the Gmail for that email. You can do the same thing for your competitors. If somebody is recommending your competitor, your ad can pop up. And this strategy is not used by a lot of people and is extremely powerful. I would just add up all these keywords in here, and I'm not going to overlay that with my audience because then I'm going to narrow it down. But if you were to create another ad group, and then you can either target an in-market audience or a custom audience or a website visitor, you can have a remarketing audience, or you can get some ideas from here as well as to who you wish to target. So when you are targeting all these audiences, try to keep them separate in an ad group. And it's very quick and easy to do this in the Google Ads editor. Copy and paste the ad groups with the ads in there already, and all you do is change the name of the audience and name of the ad group, and then you're pretty much good to go.